Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore kernel settings and modules after upgrade issues step by step clearly. To restore kernel settings and modules after encountering upgrade issues, start by booting your system into recovery mode. Access the boot menu by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F2, F12, or Escape, depending on your machine. Select the option to boot into recovery mode from the boot menu. Once in recovery mode, choose the option to open a root terminal. You may need to mount the file system as read/write to make necessary changes. Type the command to remount the root file system using mount o remount rw/. Next, identify the current kernel version by entering a name. Take note of this version as you will need it for restoring your kernel settings and modules. Check if any kernel modules have been removed or are not functioning properly. Use the command lsmod to list currently loaded modules. If any essential modules are missing, you will need to reinstall them. You can reinstall missing modules using the package manager that corresponds with your distribution. For Debian-based systems, use apt-get install reinstall followed by the module name. For Red Hat-based systems, use yum reinstall along with the module name. After reinstalling the necessary modules, it's time to check kernel parameters. Locate the configuration file typically found in /etc/default/grub. Open this file using a text editor like Nano or 6. Review the kernel parameters and ensure they align with your previous configuration. If changes are necessary, make them and save the file. Update the grub configuration by running update grub for Debian or grub toon config/boot/grub2/grub.cfg for Red Hat. Reboot the system to apply the changes by typing reboot. Once the system restarts, check if the kernel settings and modules are restored. You can do this by entering a name again to confirm the kernel version. Additionally, use lsmod to verify that all previously functioning modules are now loaded. If issues persist, consider reviewing log files in /var/log/ for further insights. This may help identify any remaining problems with your kernel settings or modules. After following these steps, you should successfully restore your kernel settings and modules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.